Okay, this is the KIEV-4AM rangefinder. So this is the front side, the other side, the back, up, down. So for this one, the glass is nice, you can see it. Let me take it out. Glass is nice. The aperture itself, for this one, unfortunately this camera, the shutter is not working. Somehow it doesn't whine, and so it can't fire. But if I force it a bit, it turns lah. Let me see. See? It's a sound. It turns, but when I let go, then it doesn't allow me to fire. It's still very nice condition though. If I show you the back, this is the back. Yeah. So here you go. I'm selling this as it is at a good discount. Thanks.